fresh vegetables are so much better for your family. Yeah, please stop throwing the microwaveable stuff in your children's faces and your husbands and wives or whatever. Can y'all just leave the microwave alone? Just leave the microwave alone. That is not healthy. And can you shop somewhere else other than the dollar store for your grocery? If you spend $700, $800, $900 in Dollar General, Dollar Tree, or any of those other stores buying microwavable food or microwavable stuff, okay? It's microwavable stuff. I do not call that stuff food. Why are you spending that type of money in a store like that? I go into those stores to purchase a sponge, a bucket, something like that when I'm caught out and I need to wipe off one of my vehicles really quickly and I do not have any of my stuff with me because I'm on travel, I'm not at home. So I'll go to one of those stores for a sponge or something like that. We do not use anything that goes inside of our body, or anything like shampoo or conditioners, anything like that from any of those stores. We buy things like sponges, Brillo pads, or a bucket. That's it. And maybe on occasion I have purchased an emergency bottle of Dawn because that's what I use to wash my vehicle. That's it. Microwavable stuff? What? Like, why? Guys, you can spend less in the grocery store and purchase real fresh vegetables, okay? Throw it on the grill. Throw some seasoning on it. You're good. I promise you. Okay. A friend of mine said, I need to remind you, you will hear a succession of beeps I think it's about every 60 seconds. And it is the reminder